Levi, How the Impact of Type 1 Diabetes Changes Lives, written and illustrated by Grace Wilkinson. This is Levi. He was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes when he was 4 years old, and it was really hard for him at first. He had to get shots, he couldn't eat what he wanted to all the time, and he couldn't do all the things he used to be able to do. Levi is 9 now, and he's learned a lot of awesome things about diabetes. In the summer, he spends a lot of time at the ocean with his sisters and brothers. They're always brave and go under the cold water. Sometimes running around and swimming in the cold can give him low blood sugar, so he has to sit for a while and have a snack. While he waits, he always builds sandcastles. When the seagulls try to take his snacks, he chases them away. Levi loves to be with his family and friends, and sometimes when you have diabetes, you have to stay away from friends that might be sick. When someone with diabetes gets a cold or maybe a stomach ache, their blood sugar can get really high. Levi has to play with his siblings a lot because of this, and now he loves playing with them even more. Every 6 months, Levi has to go to a big hospital called Dartmouth-Hitchcock to make sure that his body is healthy. The doctor checks on how his blood sugar is, and if he's been feeling strong and growing. A doctor that helps people with diabetes is called an endocrinologist. Levi still has a hard time pronouncing that. Levi is homeschooled, which means that instead of going to school every day, he does his schoolwork at home. He works with 4 of his siblings every day. They do math, science, everything you would do in school. He loves being homeschooled because it means he can do things at his own pace. He's a little bit ahead for his grades, so he works through things slightly faster than normal. When Levi was 5, he found out that Mrs. Claus has type 1 diabetes too. He was really upset because he couldn't eat anything at a Christmas Home Depot workshop. She saw him and asked if he was okay. When she found out that he had type 1 diabetes, she pulled out her insulin pump and explained she had it too. She even showed him a snack he could eat that wouldn't make his blood sugar go up. Levi loves to go outside and explore nature. His favorite places to go are Shakara Lake and Remick Farm. He loves hiking too. Sometimes his dad takes him hiking on a trail called Big Pines, and he sees really big pine trees. Levi's dad can't even wrap his arms around them. When you have diabetes, that means that your organ called the pancreas doesn't make insulin. Levi has to take a shot of insulin every time he eats something. He's gotten really brave, and he doesn't cry anymore when he gets shots, but it still hurts. Levi loves to run around and be crazy just like other kids his age. He's very active, and he especially loves to swim. Levi sometimes has to sit out when other kids are playing, so that his blood sugar doesn't go too low, because running uses up all of the sugar in his body. But he can always count on a friend to sit with him. When Levi was first diagnosed, everyone called him Batman. It takes a brave little guy to have type 1 diabetes. Shots, missing out on the things you love. He had to be tough, and it wasn't easy. Just like Batman, he had a villain. Type 1 diabetes. Levi might not be an ordinary kid, but being extraordinary is what makes us, us. Levi's day might be a little bit different than everyone else's, but sometimes being different is better. Not everyone wears the same clothes or has the same hair. It's our differences that make us who we are, and Levi's difference has made his life incredible.